Hi everyone, my name is Arthur Gilbert. This is actually my first video, and the reason why I'm making it is because I have realized there seems to be a lack of efficiency when it comes to making a good cold brew. So, let's start with what you need. So, what you will need is a scale to weigh out the beans, coffee beans, preferably dark roast, a grinder. It can be an automatic or a manual, as long as you can make coarse grind. A vase, I use a Ovalware brand, and it's a 1 liter. Highly recommended. And 2 water bottles, each about 17 ounces. Makes almost a liter, or 2 liter. Next, you want to weigh out your beans and get about 55 grams. Once the weighing has been done, you put the beans inside this hopper or your automatic grinder, and then you grind accordingly. Make sure that you know that based on the instructions, what number you will be putting this at, so that you will know that you're making the correct grind. Once you finish grinding and you put it into the filter, all you have to do is just pour the water right into the vase. Alright, next, all you gotta do is put this inside the refrigerator. Just like so. Once it's past the 12 to 18 hour mark, you can open your fridge and take it out. Once you have taken it out, you can pull the filter with the grinded coarse beans in there. Give it a little shake. Now it is ready to drink. So that is how you make a good cold brew. Just before I go though, cold brew is pretty concentrated, at least when you make it. So even half a cup can be really strong. What I would do, I would add some water or add some tonic water, or you could pour it over ice to help dilute it better, or for your own taste. If you could drink it straight, by all means go ahead. But don't say I didn't warn you. Other than that, thank you for watching. I'll be making more videos of different kind of coffee ways of drinking, so stay tuned, and thanks again. Bye for now.